I'll start videos like that now. I am actually in Vermont right now, and staying at a Airbnb next to a beautiful creek on 8.5 acres, but I'm trying to find a location to do some pictures of knives. But getting down to that creek looks kind of difficult, so trying to find either a nice way down there or maybe some other locations as I explore the property. I haven't seen any deer or bears yet, but they are in the area. So I don't know. We're not in the city, so I don't know where they'd be. Besides that creek, I think actually the Airbnb listing said river, but I don't know. I'd still say it's more of a creek. But it did say 8.5 acres. And 2 ponds. I don't know where the ponds are. Maybe they're like way back in here. So 2 stock ponds. I don't know. It could be on the other side of the property because there's the main house. And then there's the Airbnb house that we're staying at. I don't know if I want to go over to the main house and check out their side of the property. Might be kind of, I don't know, creepy. You might not like that. It really is beautiful out here. It's, let's see, as of filming this, it's the very end of July and it's 56 degrees outside. Okay, I was just say, I hope they don't consider that a stock pond, but you can see the pipe right there. And then I guess it's up and through there for the drainage somewhere. Wonder if they consider that one of the stock ponds. They might. Looks like we'll probably get up here. Oi, oi, oi. Wonder if this is a pond up here. It is not a pond up here. I also want to say it's ancient stone circles. Not really. There's poison ivy too around, so it's gonna kind of limit my exploring for today. So here's the creek or the river, but unfortunately there's no easy way down without going through poison ivy. Oh well, it's still really pretty to be here. So yeah, just remember, you know, go explore your surroundings where you're at. So get outside and enjoy life. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.